10,000 years ago, when trees were still standing and rocks were on the ground in Waldwick, New Jersey. Once living in this forest was a variation of different animals. There were birds, insects, bears, and many deer. Time has passed. Bulldozers plowed through, killing all the trees, thinking it will help our country.
Humans and animals were killed off. Bulldozers ripped down their homes. There was no food for survival. Nothing is left besides the fossils that were once living people. Throughout the evolution, we went from dinosaurs to apes to humans. Now through the evolution, everything has died out. All the species are gone. There are no gene pools left. There's nothing. The only thing living is a Bengal cat.
Now that the population has died, it'll take many years to bring all our animals and humans back. Now all we have is rocks, dirt, and grass.
Well, this is proof. This is a live fossil back from the dinosaur ages. This has shown that the dinosaurs have evolved into the Bengal cat. And since the Bengal cat is the only species left in the gene pool, this shows that if life keeps changing, that the Bengal cat will never be able to reproduce.
Natural selection because the Bengal cat has evolved from the T-Rex. This is also natural selection because they use survival of the fittest, which means that they got strained to get their prey, to reproduce and get their prey. Breaking news.
Another crater has hit our Earth. The Bengal cat no longer exists. There are no more animals on this Earth.
If this continues, our Earth will never be the same as it was 10,000 years ago.
We're the only people on this Earth. The world is coming to an end.
Take a look. Here's Allie with our breaking news.
And right here is a meteor that hit Earth, and all the world turned back to what it used to be. The dinosaurs came back, they evolved from the dead, and everything is back to where it's normally been. Life will not be shut down completely. It will restart again, and the whole life cycle and evolution will slowly but surely come back to life.
I'm standing on the craters that hit our Earth 10,000 years ago. As you can see, it's all crushed up from the speed that it hit our Earth.
Growing up in a small town with little forest life, it was beautiful to come home every day and see nature in my backyard.
Throughout the years, the town has plowed the woods down. All you see now is mounds of dirt and empty bulldozers.
We got the idea of doing this video because we saw that in 2 short years, my backyard went to a beautiful forest to mounds of dirt.
If this keeps happening to nature over time, there will be nothing left.
Evolution. Change in a kind of organism over time, process by which modern organisms have descended from ancient organisms.
Population. Group of individuals of the same species that live in the same area.
Gene pool. Combined genetic information of all the members of a particular population.
Species. Group of similar organisms that can breed and produce a fertile offspring.
Variation. A modification in structure, form, or function in an organism.